Hi, I'm Laura, owner of Olivera Health and a licensed nurse practitioner specializing in medical weight loss and hormone replacement therapy. I serve patients from Virginia, West Virginia, Maryland, and Washington, D.C. Staying consistent is the key to long-term success. We'll cover clear goal setting, building habits, accountability, overcoming obstacles, tracking progress, and making adjustments that stick.
The first step to consistency is defining clear, achievable goals. Vague goals lead to frustration. Instead of saying, "I want to eat healthier," aim for specific actions. For example, I will include 2 servings of vegetables at lunch and dinner each day. Your goals should be measurable. Track them in a journal or with an app. Realistic goals increase your likelihood of following through. Remember, it's better to set small, sustainable goals than big, overwhelming ones. Small steps build momentum. Motivation fluctuates. Habits create consistency even when motivation is low. Start small. A 5-minute habit is better than a 1-hour goal you can't sustain. Link new habits to existing routines. For example, after brushing your teeth in the morning, do 5 minutes of stretching. Over time, these small actions become automatic, requiring less mental effort. Focus on consistency over intensity. Progress, not perfection, leads to lasting results. Accountability is a powerful tool for consistency. Share your goals with a friend, a coach, or a supportive community. Check-ins keep you on track and provide encouragement. Use tracking apps to monitor progress. Seeing your achievements visually reinforces your commitment. Surround yourself with positive influences. Accountability isn't about pressure. It's about guidance, feedback, and support. Obstacles are inevitable. Busy schedules, stress, travel, and fatigue can disrupt your routine. Plan ahead. Prepare meals in advance. Schedule workouts at consistent times. When travel or interruptions occur, be flexible. Shorter workouts or portable exercises are better than skipping entirely. Anticipate barriers and have alternative strategies ready. Consistency is built by adapting, not giving up. Track measurable metrics. Sleep, hydration, steps, energy levels, or workout minutes provide concrete feedback. Recording your progress helps you identify patterns and make adjustments. Celebrate small wins. Completing a week of consistent habits, meeting a hydration goal, or increasing energy levels deserves recognition. Celebrations reinforce positive behavior and boost motivation for continued progress. Consistency doesn't mean rigidity. Review your goals every 2 to 4 weeks. Identify what works and what doesn't. Adjust your routines as needed. Swap exercises you dislike for ones you enjoy. Modify meal plans to match your schedule. Iteration allows your wellness plan to evolve with your lifestyle, making it sustainable over the long term.
Consistency is not perfection. It is small, deliberate actions repeated daily. Focus on clear goals, build supportive habits, plan for obstacles, track progress, and adjust when needed. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and visit my website for personalized care and support. Your health is your greatest investment.